Hi guys, so today we will be making southern fried chicken with CIC Besto pre-cut skinless chicken. Let's get started. We are going to add some buttermilk into a bowl, adding some flour, an egg, salt to taste, pepper and some paprika, some garlic paste. Once all the ingredients are in the bowl, you are going to give it a good mix. Once we get this consistency, we are going to dip in the chicken in this mixture. While the chicken is being coated, make sure your oil is heated and ready. Now we are going to deep fry the chicken pieces. There you go, southern fried chicken with CIC Besto pre-cut skinless chicken.